Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to record our new session and the topic is output devices. So in this video we are going to learn what are the different type of output devices in the computer, and we will understand what are the input devices, how many type of input devices, all this stuff. So without wasting time, let's go to our slide. I hope you can see my slide. So let's go the definition. What is output devices? The output device are the device which are used to display the result generated by the computer system. So how the output is generated by computer system? For example, we are giving some input, so through our input devices, that is keyboard, and once computer take the input, it's processing it, and then it's doing some calculation, and after that it pass the output result to the output devices. This is how all this processes works. Okay, so our output devices are monitor, where we can see our output, the printer, the hard copies, the plotter, speaker, we can listen our outputs are the example of output devices. So function of input devices, that is more important. Accept the result from the CPU. The main activity is whenever CPU do the processing on input, it's pass the input to the output device as a result. Okay, convert the result into human readable format. Okay, so all output devices are present their output in such a way so that a human being can understand, read properly. Supply the result to output devices. Okay, so it's also supply the result to the different output devices like printer, plotter, CPU, process, provide the all the inputs. Okay, so let's understand what are the different output devices we have. First one is video slash monitor. Video we also call visual display unit and monitor. That is one of the standard output device. The monitor is the common output device mostly used to use it to is a soft copy output devices. So what is the soft copy output devices? The output that we cannot touch is called soft copy output, and the output which we can touch, that is called hard copy of output devices. Soft copy we can see on monitor, but hard copy, if we give a printing command and it's print on the page, that we can touch, that is called hard soft copy. Okay, it can be thought of as a high resolution TV set, the video monitors. The monitor can also determine if the display will be color, black and white, or include graphic object pictures. So I have also set one picture, that is how initial video looks like. So there are two type of monitor, CRT monitor and non-CRT monitor. But how monitors, early age monitors looks like, it's having some cathode ray tube, and from there it's doing some lots of processing and display the picture. So let's go to next slide and understand what we have next. So now next device is printer. The printer is most commonly used output device, because whatever we can see on screen, and if we want to share that soft copy to the different person, which in that case we are going to use printer. So printer, we will give the print command, it's print the data onto the page, and then we can share with others. Okay, so printer is most commonly used output device. It is used to produce the hard copy output. It's not a soft copy, it's a hard copy. It prints character, symbol and graphics on paper. Printer can be categorized according to the technology used in the printer, speed and approach of the printing, color, language and quality of the printing. Mainly printer can be classified in two types, impact printer and non-impact printer. So I will cover all this CRT, non-CRT, impact, non-impact in detail in different videos, but for the time being, let's understand what are the output devices. Okay, next is impact and non-impact printer. So impact printer is, it works on the same mechanism of typewriter. How typewriter works, that is called impact printer. Its form a character or image by shrinking the mechanism such as hammer or wheel against to the ink ribbon. Leave an image on the paper. Okay, so how its work is, so it's having one header, the printer, and ink ribbon is installed there, and when we give the print command, this printer is hammering on the ribbon and output is printed on the page. This is how it works, but it's very noisy actually. Okay, it is the oldest technology and still it's used. It can capable to print single character or line at the same time. Commonly type of impact printer are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel, chain and drum printer. So dot matrix printer is one of the commonly used where we have a multiple invoice printing at a time by using the carbon copy. There we use still this dot matrix printer. Non-impact printer is less noisy basically. Non-impact printer forms characters and image on paper without actually striking the paper, so it does not strike anything like hammering or any other things. So paper and print head comes in contact and hence the text or image is formed. Inkjet and laser printer are example of non-impact printer. Okay, so it's non noisy, it's costly as well. So how it works. Okay, the next output device we have a speaker. A speaker is most commonly used output device in which we will run the song, we can hear the voice. So speaker is output device which is connected to the computer sound card. The speaker output the sound generated by the sound card. Auto data is generated by computer is sent to audio card which is located inside the extension slot. So all this sound card and is present into the motherboard inside the CPU basically, and and the speaker gets connected to the sound card port and it supply the output. Okay, it can transfer data into audio signal which are sending to speaker. The speaker can able to produce a series of different tones. Yeah. Okay, the next slide is plotter. Plotter is an output device which is capable to produce the hard copy of output of graphics used to It's used to producing the wide format printing. It is an ideal output device for architect, engineer, city planner and other who need to generate the hard copy output of widely varying in different sizes. Works on the same mechanism of human holding pen and moving on paper. Okay, so plotter means we are doing plot something manually on the device by using some pen, and pen is also it's different pen, not like a normal light pen. So contains a multiple pens and pencil which can easily change out in order to create a drawing of the different colors. Normally generated output very slow. Many two type of plotter we are using, drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Okay, so next slide is thank you. So I think hope you understand what is the output device in computer fundamental. So the output device is the device which are used to display the result generated by the computer system, monitor, printer, plotter, speaker and other example of output devices. Okay, I hope you liked the video. So thank you.